In this video, we'll explore the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, featuring a versatile 2-lens kit. This kit includes the EF18 to 55mm lens, perfect for everyday photography, and the EF75 to 300mm lens, ideal for capturing distant subjects. We'll dive into the camera's key features, including its 24.1 MP sensor and built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your gear, the Rebel T7 offers great image quality and user-friendly controls. Join me as we test these lenses. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, complete with a 2-lens kit featuring the EF18 to 55mm and EF75 to 300mm lenses. The Rebel T7 boasts a 24.1 MP sensor and built-in Wi-Fi, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. We'll explore its features, image quality, and how each lens performs in various shooting scenarios. Whether you're capturing landscapes or distant subjects, this kit has you covered. Join me as we test these lenses and share tips. In this video, we're reviewing the 1.85-inch HD smartwatch designed for both men and women. This smartwatch lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist, making it a convenient accessory. With over 100 sport modes, it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, plus it features IP68 waterproofing for worry-free workouts. We'll dive into its heart rate and sleep monitoring capabilities, as well as SpO2 tracking for comprehensive health insights. Compatible with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch In this video, we're checking out the JISULIFE portable neck fan, a hands-free, bladeless fan that's perfect for staying cool on the go. With 5 speed settings, it lets you customize your comfort level, while the 4000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use. Its twistable design makes it easy to adjust for the perfect fit. This rechargeable fan is not only functional but also a great gift for both men and women. Join me as we test its features, performance, and versatility. Don't forget to like In this video, we're diving into the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, your ultimate kitchen companion for all things prep. This stainless steel powerhouse excels at mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, and even kneading dough. With its generous 14-cup capacity, it's perfect for large meals and batch cooking. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to use and showcase its versatility in various recipes. If you're looking to save time in the kitchen, this food processor is a game changer. Join me to see. In this video, we're diving into the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, your ultimate kitchen companion for all things prep. This stainless steel powerhouse excels at mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, and even kneading dough. With its generous 14-cup capacity, it's perfect for large meals and batch cooking. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to use and showcase its versatility in various recipes. If you're looking to save time in the kitchen, this food processor is a game changer. Join me to see.